Hello guys, in this video we will see how to get Kami extension on our Gmail account, and that way we will be able to edit PDF files. So we just type Kami extension on Google search engine, and we'll click on Kami extension PDF and document annotation over here. Let's click on it. So let's add it to Chrome. So add extension. So it is right here. So let's click on it. So we will sign up with Google. Let's click on with Google. Let's click on Gmail and let's click on allow. Alright, so from now on, if you're a student, then let's click on student to pick your role. If you are going to use as a teacher, then let's click on teacher. Okay, Kami extension is on my computer right now, and it is bookmarked here. To open PDF file through Kami extension, then I just click on Kami. The assignment is as PDF. It is on my computer, then open from computer. So it is in documents, assignment PDF. I click this on, open. Okay, so right now, as you see, I can put text on it. There's a text box on the left. I just click on it. You can change the color and you can change the size, font size as well. I just click on that. For example, I will just answer the question. I will just put my example and keep editing, keep typing. So over here on the left column, there is also dictionary option like text to speech, markup, command box, equation, drawing, like several options over here. Then after that, you can save it and you can download it as well. So student account is pretty way different on Kami, so they can easily edit their assignment through Kami, and after they are done, they just save it and they can just click on turn on button next to save button. So if I try to preview as a student, so I'll be able to see turn on button over here. Since this is personal account, it doesn't show any turn on button over here. But students, if you are making an account, if you are just doing the assignments through Kami, after doing the assignment, you just save it, then you just click on turn on button right next to save button. So it's way easier to be able to submit the assignments through Kami.